The choices you make on wash day can affect the health of your hair. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I have my quick wash day and also give you tips on what to avoid in order not to damage your hair on wash day. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. The first thing I do on wash day is detangle my hair properly. I make sure my hair is properly detangled, make sure there are no knots. After that, I section my hair. I like to work in 4 sections. I like using warm water in washing my hair. Warm water helps to dissolve dirt, the grime, and all the buildup of products since your last wash day. It allows your cuticles and your pores to open up so that they can be properly cleansed. So I allow the warm water to saturate my hair properly before going in with my shampoo. Today's video is not about the product, it's just more about the technique I use. The shampoo is applied to the base of the hair, to the scalp, not directly on my whole hair. When shampooing your hair, you don't need so much shampoo. When shampooing your hair, you don't want to scratch your scalp. What I do is I use the tip of my fingers to massage my scalp and to scrub it to lift the dirt. I make sure that I apply the shampoo on every section of the hair for that it to be properly cleansed. Washing my hair in sections makes it easy for me to reach every part of my hair and to make sure every part of my hair is cleansed. When I section my hair, it unravels during the washing process and I just twist it back up. But I like to unravel each part to cleanse it properly, to scrub it properly. When washing my hair, I do not hold my strands and start washing them like a cloth. Your hair is not a cloth. Guys, please don't scrub your hair the way you do your cloth. Just gently scrub your scalp. I gently scrub my scalp to lift up the dirt. I don't apply too much pressure on my scalp. In the case of washing, it is not the harder you scrub, the cleaner it gets. If you scrub too hard, you could end up hurting yourself. You can end up with an injury. Just do it gently, apply a little pressure, not too much that you have a headache. I normally shampoo my hair about 3 times, but in some cases, if the hair is so dirty and the shampoo is not as effective as I would like it, I go more than that. All the water I'm working with is warm water. I found that when I use cold water to wash my hair tangles more than normal. Scrubbing your scalp the wrong way could result in an injury. You don't want to do that. After I make sure the shampoo is properly washed from my hair. You want to make sure you wash out the shampoo properly. Guys, don't mind me. I was talking to my cameraman. My cameraman for the day is my 11-year-old son. Some people make the mistake of over scrubbing their scalp. Guys, I went to a salon one time. That was when I was relaxed. I went to wash my hair and I left that place with a very big headache because the girl was scrubbing. I think she was using all her muscles to scrub my scalp. I kept telling her it's too painful and she said, okay, I'll reduce the pressure. But I think even her least pressure was just too much for me. I left that place with a headache. I ended up not even doing what I wanted to go and do. After washing the hair, I just took myself home quietly because my head was pounding. That's what scrubbing vigorously can do to your scalp. You don't want to damage your scalp by allowing somebody or to scrub vigorously or you yourself scrubbing your scalp too much. Today's step, I'm not using conditioner. It's not every time I use a conditioner. From the shampoo, I'm just going straight to using a deep conditioner. And I like to apply my deep conditioner from the tips. One mistake I see people doing is not applying enough deep conditioner on their hair. Some people apply too little, maybe just try to save it. Guys, there's no need optimizing your deep conditioner. Applying too little will not get the job done for you. I rather err on the side of caution and even apply too much than too little. But you want to make sure your deep conditioner does not touch your scalp. I don't apply it directly to my scalp. It's for my hair, so I apply it on my hair. Of course, some will definitely touch the scalp by the time you're done with the application, but I'm not concentrating it on my scalp. I make sure I apply the deep conditioner on each section. I put a lot on the tips. I concentrate on the tips. The tips are the oldest part of your hair, so you want to pay extra attention to them. Another mistake that you could make on wash days is not washing your deep conditioner out properly. One mistake I see people making with deep conditioner is leaving the deep conditioner on for too long. Each product has a product label and the instructions that come with it. Some of them say leave it on for 10 minutes, some say 15 minutes. Follow the time on your deep conditioner. Some people actually keep their deep conditioner for hours. I like to just follow the instruction on the product I'm using. If something happens and I have to go longer with the deep conditioner, it won't exceed 15 minutes more than the stipulated time. So don't leave your deep conditioners for too long. Don't sleep with your deep conditioners. I like to simplify my life a lot. My wash days are quick. Not so quick that I don't pay attention to scrubbing my hair well or making sure it's really clean. But I don't do unnecessary steps. I'm not someone who does unnecessary steps. I like things being simple and quick. I like to simplify my life. So apply after applying the deep conditioner everywhere, I'll make sure I apply on my edges. Guys, it's easy to forget your edges. You just assume the other ones will reach it, but I pay particular attention to the edges. After that, I make sure I cover my hair with a shower cap, or like in this case, a nylon bag. My deep conditioner says I should keep it on for 10 minutes. I keep it on for 10 minutes. I actually wrap a towel over this and stay for 10 minutes. The heat will allow the deep conditioner do its magic in my hair. After 10 minutes, I'm washing off my deep conditioner. I make sure I wash everything out. Although the deep conditioner says you can leave some, there are some conditioners that said you can leave some. I don't like to do that. I like to wash it all out because I have my leave-in products that I'm going to use on the hair already. After washing out the deep conditioner, I like to just wrap it a t-shirt on my hair. I do not rub my hair vigorously with a towel. I just wrap my hair with a t-shirt. It will absorb the water. And when the hair is about 50% dry, I go in with my leave-in products and my moisturizer and seal in the moisture. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.